OPPO Find X9 Pro and OPPO Find X9 are set to debut globally on October 16, featuring a triple camera island on the back panel, a ring LED flash placed inside the camera module, another picture showing OPPO Find X9 series camera bump. Find X9 come in matte titanium, frost white, matte black, and chasing light red. The OPPO Find X9 has a thickness of 7.99mm and weight 203 gram. These will be one of the first batch of phones that will be equipped with the Dimensity 9500 flagship chip and run ColorOS 16 based on Android 16. Up to 16GB of LPDDR5X RAM, up to 1TB of UFS 4.0 storage. The Find X9 is smaller in size with a 6.59-inch display with a 1.5K resolution, a 120Hz refresh rate, and have an ultrasonic in-screen fingerprint sensor. On the rear is a 50MP main camera with OIS, using Sony's Lisha LYT808 sensor, a 50MP ultra-wide using Samsung's ISOCELL JN5 sensor, and a 50MP periscope telephoto camera with 3x optical zoom. A 50MP camera using Samsung's ISOCELL JN1 sensor for selfies. The Find X9 will house a massive 7025 mAh battery. Support 80W wired and 50W wireless charging. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.